Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So KB5022303 recently new launch for 21H2 and 22H2. So guys, how to download direct download means from website and how to install I will tell you. Okay. So firstly open Chrome browser, then type Microsoft catalog, then enter. So I will give you link, download link, to directly click to come this side. Okay, so KB5022303 and then search. Okay, so 10 want to launch. Okay, so 23 download Windows 22 dynamic community dynamic. Okay, so you download first one. Okay, so guys, I will give you this link in the descriptions, so you copy and come on the direct link to, and then click to download and then install. Okay, now this is actually installing. This update actually guys mostly about security, fix the security important and address security issues, your Windows operating system bug fix and gaming performance issue. Okay, and also with today patch and release driven vulnerability and like a lot of issues, fix issues. Okay, show in folder, open when done. Then click to open. And please wait, now installing, and then restart your systems. When guys done is few get some few minutes, and we're done, you to restart your install. Okay, now it is next and install, do not have any critical. Okay, have any issue please comment me, I will support you.